Have you ever wondered what drives people to call the fire brigade for the most unexpected incidents? Here's a peculiar request that tops the list. A bewildered resident dialed the emergency line when their alarm clock mysteriously vanished. Not just that, it had been on snooze mode, steadily emitting a ringing sound from somewhere inside the recently purchased wardrobe. Upon arrival, the fire crew discovered that during a sleepwalking episode, the caller had unwittingly stashed the alarm clock inside a box of old winter coats. Solving the mystery of the unstoppable alarm, the fire brigade left the scene, ensuring the bemused citizen enjoyed peace once more and an alarm-free winter collection.